Hello, it's Wednesday, March the 10th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFXBank. The dollar gained versus the euro and the pound, but weakened versus the higher-yielding commodity-linked currencies. Stock markets finished higher, but weak fundamentals and fears across Europe helped the dollar to gain. Crude weakened by minus 0.46%, closing at $81.49 a barrel. Today, crude inventories will be released and volatility is expected. Gold weakened by minus 0.14%, closing at $1,122 an ounce. Today, federal budget balance is expected with minus $199.5 billion versus minus $42.6 billion prior. The euro weakened versus the dollar after lower than expected CPI data in Switzerland contributed to the assessments that the next rate hike in Europe will not be until 2011 and no sooner. The euro-dollar is still trading in a daily channel between 137.80 and 134.50, waiting for a catalyst to break out of this range. The pound declined versus all of the 16 majors after Fitch Ratings said UK debt problems are worsening. Trade balance came out worse with minus 8 billion versus minus 6.9 billion expected. Concerns about a possible minority government in the upcoming elections in the UK this year have also contributed to a lowered pound. The yen gained versus the dollar and most other majors on estimations of better earnings from Japanese companies, which will be reported at the end of the nation's fiscal year at the end of March. Today, final GDP is expected with 1% versus 1.1% prior. Finally, the Canadian dollar continued gaining versus the dollar to reach a 7-week high after stocks kept advancing and crude continued trading above $80 a barrel. The downtrend is slowing and could head to an upward reversal. No major economic data is expected today, but crude inventories could have an impact on the CAD. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.